Chase Inc. Preferred Business Pricing explained what you get for your money. For businesses looking to maximize rewards on common expenses, the Chase Inc. Preferred Business Card delivers outstanding value. Most people get this wrong. They think business cards only benefit large corporations, but the surprising truth is small businesses can earn massive rewards from everyday spending. The card earns X points on the first €0 spent annually on travel, shipping, internet, cable, and phone services, and X on all other purchases. For example, a small business spending €0 annually on qualifying categories could earn 150 €0 points, which can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, or statement credits. Points are worth 25% more when redeemed for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Additional perks include employee cards at no extra cost, purchase protection, cell phone protection, and trip cancellation interruption insurance. The card has an annual fee of, which can be quickly offset by rewards if you spend strategically. In conclusion, the Chase Inc. Preferred Business Card is ideal for businesses that want to maximize rewards on everyday operational expenses. With high earning potential, valuable travel redemption, and employee benefits, it's a practical tool to turn routine spending into meaningful returns.